Shemai, something very different today. I'm going to take a little look at using AI music to create a song. I've been using AI music for quite a while, to be honest. I use it when I'm editing my videos a lot, but that is built into my editing software. About a week or two ago, Anarchy and the Ukulele, if you don't know who they are, seriously go and check out their channel. I'll pop a link below. But one of their Friday night shows, they were looking at making a song or creating a song using AI. Now, KD, one of the Anarchy guys, he is a music producer. That is what he does. He's got a music studio and he's been producing music for other people for many, many years. And I sort of took my interest a little bit. Now, weirdly, the following day, I actually had a Facebook advert, because the computer doesn't listen to you, does it? I had a Facebook advert come up for a particular AI music, and I thought, oh, let's just have a little look. Clicked create. Right, I'm not going to chat anymore. Let's have a little look, and this is Suno AI. Okay, so first of all, what I am going to show you now is completely free. All right, I am on the free program. I do actually intend to get the subscription because I intend to use some of this online, and there's lots of copyright things. And all right, anyway, I'm not going to go too much into all of that today. All right, but what I'm going to show you is completely free. You just need to put an email address in. And one of the reasons why I'm making this video now is because I want to subscribe. I want to show you guys exactly what you can get without putting any credit card details in, without paying any money, without signing up for anything at all. Okay, so this is Suno.com or Suno AI. I know AI is quite frightening. As I said a second ago, I've been using AI within my video editing for quite a while, and I just use it as background music, and it's very simple. I can put in a couple of words, and the next thing I have managed to get some background music. This is a little bit different. So what are we actually seeing? This is the Suno homepage. All right. Now then, the way I did it, I just clicked on create from an external site. But if you're searching for Suno and you put in Suno.com, you're going to come up with this, all right? And at some point, I'm not sure exactly when, it is going to ask you for, I think it's a telephone number or an email address. Okay, right, the important bit. Let's actually listen to some of these pieces of music, songs that I have done. I am only going to be able to play you short snippets. I'm not 100% sure with the copyright, so I'm going to keep this really safe for now. I can't go publishing any of these things. I can't put a whole song up on the internet, okay, because I'm on the free plan.
Green hills roll,
can you see the lyrics on the right-hand side?
Flag is flying high, strumming strings, our spirits soar. We're rich in laughter, who needs more? Every note, it tells a tale of ukes and friends and proud old wills. Always strum and smile, always sing, oh wow.
Okay, as I said, I'm only going to be showing you very small snippets of these songs at the minute. The whole point is I actually want to subscribe because I can see lots of ways of me using this, but I wanted to show you guys it free, first of all, what you get if you don't want to pay for it. Now then, straight away, you can see all of these first ones are all about Wales, ukulele, sunshine. Then I started looking at the genres, in other words, the different styles of music. So I remember putting this one in, Ukulele Queen of the Country Fair, and I remember putting in bluegrass country ukulele. All right, so let's have a little listen to this one.
A ukulele.
There's the lyrics on the right.
Play it smooth and sweet, but every time I strum it lately, it sounds like chickens in defeat. Cluck, cluck, clang, oh Lord, what's wrong? I guess I'm not a picking Don Juan.
Okay, so suddenly now you can hear it really is very good at picking up the different genres and things. Right, then I started thinking, right, let's get away from the ukulele side of things for a minute, all right? And I started putting in some prompts, and again, I'm going to show you a prompt in a moment of using completely different styles. Have a listen to this one. Not a ukulele in sight. I'm going to forward it a bit.
Good, stay inside. 10 seconds, rewind.
Now then, again, I'm going to point over to the right-hand side of the lyrics. I didn't put any lyrics in. I didn't give it any ideas at all. I just said, write me some lo-fi, blah, blah. And that's one thing I've learnt, all right, is when you write something out, copy and paste it into something else so you can then refer back to it. I've not been doing that. So a lot of these, I'm thinking, I can't remember what I wrote in, all right? Then I spent an evening with the Ukumaniacs last weekend and they were giving me some ideas for prompts and things as well, all right? So this particular one, I can't remember the exact words I put in, but it was to do with 5 girls in a band. One of them swears a lot, one of them farts and burps a lot, and the others all strum their ukuleles, okay? And we came out with, AI comes up with the title. I don't come up with a title. All right. So the 5 chord queens.
5-point queens in a beat-up van, rolling through towns with a rocking plan. There's Lisa on bass, she just can't stand still. Fingers like lightning, but her mouth's got the thrill. Jen's on rhythm, just...
Now then, with this, I just left it do its own thing. And obviously it's gone and put different names in. This is the sort of thing where you can then go back in and put your own lyrics in and change names and change words. Okay, so, and I have done that on occasion with 1 or 2 of the other songs. Now, I am rubbish at writing songs. I always have been. I am useless at coming up with creative ideas for lyrics. And inevitably, I can do chord progressions, great. I can actually come up with melodies. But when it comes to lyrics and a song, a vocal melody, I'm really not very good. And this is where I could see me and Ukumaniacs, for example, coming up with some ideas, the basic ideas to start with, maybe some lyrics, maybe a melody or 2, and then turning it into our own, taking it away from the computer and re-recording it ourselves, whether we're changing the lyrics, whether we even end up performing live, all right? But it's getting that very first creative idea. That's how I can imagine myself using it. Okay, I'm also planning on seriously doing some play-along videos for ukulele with it and maybe putting them on ukuleleans. I just don't know yet. I could use this in my teaching in terms of when I'm going around the primary schools and things like that. Maybe coming up with some almost like brand new nursery rhyme type of thing to help with my teaching. So there's an awful lot of things you can use with this. Now then, this is where the last couple of days I've been using it, and I have been quite desperate now to subscribe and go on to the next level, but I wanted to make this video first. Halloween is coming up, and yeah, it's just finding those initial ideas. So, Haunted Hoedown. I think I put in comedy. Comedy is quite a good one because it'll come up with funny lyrics if you can. Comedy, Halloween, bluegrass. Let's have a little listen for a minute.
The ghosts and the ghouls are strumming their fill. Ukuleles ringing, sweet and high. Even the pumpkins are clapping nearby. It's a haunted hoedown, a spooky delight.
Okay, so can you see I'm having fun? But it's free. You guys can go and do this. You can put in whatever you like. If you want, I remember this one, grunge, heavy metal, talking about Santa delivering the presents to the children. All right, this is what happens. I'm getting rid of some of the intros just so you can hear some of the main song. Okay, here we go.
Sky scream, the cold wind bites. Red sleigh cuts through endless nights. Reindeer charge with fury.
Okay, with fire, Santa rides his wrath in time. Honestly, right, just try it. It is brilliant fun. All right, I'm going to do one in a minute now, but I had some brilliant fun last night. I've got 5 pets, 3 cats, 2 dogs. All I did was put in something like a funny song about cats and dogs being friendly and living together, and then I named them. I said the dogs are Stan and Idris, and the cats are Chitta, Felix, and Wolfgang, and this is what it came up with.
Stan's got a bark that shakes the trees. Felix purrs like he's royalty. Wolfgang naps on the windowsill. Idris digs holes like he's paying the bills. Oh, they fight, oh, they play, chase each other night.
I'm stopping all these because I don't want to be done for copyright. I'm going to go and pay very shortly after this video, and then I can start doing new songs and use those, and I'm pretty sure you are going to see some of them appear on various YouTube places with me. Right, I've shown you a few bits of what I've managed to do. Let's actually create one right now in front of you, and this is how easy it is. So we're going to click on create. Okay, up here there's a blank area. There are different ways of doing it. If I click on custom, you can put some lyrics or all lyrics that you want to put in there. You can turn it into an instrumental or a style. I am just literally going to go with the simplest one today. So this is always dodgy doing this live. Let's have a little look what it's going to come up with. I am going to go with comedy song about playing the ukulele in front of a huge audience and things go wrong. I've not planned this video at all. I have literally just thought of this, so I have no idea what is going to happen. Right, what sort of style do I want to put it in? Let's go with acoustic folk style with a, what sort of twist can we put in there? With a summer twist. Let's have a little look. Acoustic style with a summer twist. I'm actually going to be quite, I don't know how well this will work. Instruments for ukulele, bass, ukulele, cajon, drum, and I don't know, baritone ukulele. Again, I don't know how well this is going to pick it up or not. All right. Now then, this is not going to take long. It may take a minute or two. When you're on the free one, you're at the bottom of the ladder waiting for things to do. But I'm going to try and show you this in real time. So I'm going to click create now, and then you're going to have to listen to me witter on. So they're going to appear up here for a moment. Now, as I said, this is completely free. I'm not sponsored by Suno or anything like that. I'm not even paying them at the minute, but I do intend to use one of their subscription ones. I'm looking. Ukulele disaster in the summer sun. Okay, right. I am planning on using it because I've got a reason to use these online, so therefore I need the copyright for them. Okay. I've very quickly looked into the legal aspects of this. I know Suno, I think, are being taken to court by various people for using or letting their AI use people's stuff. But I'm of the opinion we can't get rid of it. AI is here, and if we don't embrace it, it could end up not being great for us. Let's put it that way. All right. If as a creator of content, I can use it. I already am. If as a musician who plays live, and I can use it maybe for giving me ideas to create songs or giving the band ideas to create things. But then you've got an added layer. For example, now, what you don't get with this is the chords. It's not going to tell you what chords it's playing. It's not going to tell you certain things. Certainly not on the free one anyway. But I'm in a position where I could sit there and work things out. So we could perform something from this as an idea. Right, I don't know if you've noticed, but I did the little circles have stopped spinning. Let's have a little listen. First of all then, ukulele disaster in the summer sun. I'm not going to play it all. Keep an eye out on the right-hand side for the lyrics, but I'm going to play you a new song. There are the lyrics on the right-hand side.
The lights came on, the crowd went wild. My heart was pounding, my grin was styled. But the strap broke loose, down it slid. My ukulele hit my shin, I nearly flipped my lid.
There we are, you saw what I put in. I literally put playing the ukulele in front of huge audience and things go wrong, and straight away his strap broke loose, down it slid, my ukulele hit my shin, I nearly flipped my lid. So there we are, that is a song that was just created using AI Suno, S-U-N-O, for free. I haven't paid a penny. I've literally signed up. I get 50 credits a day. You can see there, I've written the one song. I'm down to 40 credits. You can pay for it. You get a lot more features. If you know anything about music, tracking and production and things, I think on the paid versions, you get up to 12 stems. So in other words, you can hear the bass, you can hear the vocal, you can hear the ukulele, you can hear all the different things, all right? What you don't get from this is a chord chart or the notation or the tab or anything like that. Maybe there's another AI that I can input a song from here and it'll write all that out for me. Who knows? But this is where I think we have to at least take AI seriously, although having a laugh with it, try and use it as the best we can, and maybe use it to be more creative. So that is the Suno AI music creator or song creator, anything like that, but the free version of it. All right, I haven't paid a penny, and that is everything that you can do. I do hope you have enjoyed this video and maybe found it useful. I'll pop a link to suno.com in the description below, but pretty much if you do a search for it, you're going to find it. And don't be frightened, have a little play. If you do try out this suno.com or any other music AI, please let me know in the comments. I am still very much new to this. I have dipped my toe in the water a little bit, shall we say, but I want to know a lot more. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site and I'll pop a link in the description below for that. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.